Hey, I can. Huh? I can see all the way to the watering hole. Let's climb higher. Wow, now I can see past the trees. Higher. Now I can see all the way across the savannah. Wow, what a view.
It's time. It's time.
Yeah, time to enjoy the view.
It's time. It's time.
Oh, time to play. Come on out, everybody. And all of you at home, too. Let's play Monkey See, Monkey Do.
Lift up your hands and turn around. Slowly bend over and touch the ground. Now stand up straight.
Stand up straight.
Put a smile on your face. And let's start jumping.
Jump, jump, jump.
All over the place. We're warming up. We're warming up.
Warming up now.
All together. We're warming up. We're warming up. We're warming up. Yeah, we're warming up.
Hey, it's Giraffe. Hello, Giraffe. How are you? Giraffe? Giraffe? Hey, kids, do you think the giraffe can hear me? Oh, I know. Hello, Giraffe. Giraffe? Do you think he can hear me now? No! Okay, then. Giraffe! Whoops, sorry. Hi. Hi. Very high. Oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah! Giraffe, want to play Monkey See, Monkey Do? Alrighty then. Show us what to do. Wow. Monkey see Giraffe's head and long neck. Whoa. Monkey do. Raise your hand up as high as you can. Higher. Higher. Now your hand is the giraffe's head and your arm is its long neck. Monkey see how giraffe moves his head and neck. Monkey do. Look from side to side. Very good. Wow, all of you at home look just like giraffes. Whoa, Monkey see Giraffe is lowering his head all the way down to the ground. Oh, and then back up again. Monkey do. Everyone, bend over and touch the ground. Great. And now back up. Up. Good. And back down again. And up. Well done. Hey. Monkey see Giraffe's tail. Monkey do. Put your other hand behind you and let it hang down. Wow, you all have giraffe tails. That's great. Whoa, Monkey see how Giraffe walks. He has long, thin legs. And when he walks, his head moves forward and back. Monkey do the giraffe walk. Nope, remember to move your heads back and forth. Good. Wow, look at all of you giraffes at home. Well done. Now, before we put it all together, let's go over the movements again. Head and neck. Good. Tail. All of you friends out there are doing great. And giraffe walk. Walk about with your head and neck moving forward